Hi everyone, welcome again to another video, and today I want to show you a very simple way how you can create a subdomain to your cPanel. Having a subdomain is very advantageous because you may divide your website to different activities. Maybe you may have a billing site, you may have a user panel and many other things. So the first thing you have to do is just scroll down to your website, to your cPanel. Just look for a subdomain. Scroll down and look for a subdomain. Okay, here it is. So go to domains, remember the section domains, then go to subdomains. Here you create, just click subdomain. Okay, just write the domain. For my side, I'm going to write a web, just a web. So it's a web.cypher.co.tz. Then click create. Okay, now our subdomain has been created. So let's go back and check if the domain exists. If you come down here, you may see all my subdomains have been registered here. So this is the new subdomain I've created, as you can see it. So on the next video, I'm going to show you a very simple way how you can upload your website to your subdomain. So this can be applicable to any domain. If you have a domain, this is applicable. So stay in tune and I will see you on another video. Thank you.